Here's a mistake new IT admins make all the time. They add a user in Microsoft 365 and forget to assign a license. The user can't log in, and no one knows why. Let's do it right. Start by logging into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center at admin.microsoft.com. In the left navigation panel, click Users, then select Active Users. That's your central directory of everyone in your organization. Once there, click the Add a User button at the top of the list. That launches a step-by-step setup wizard. The first step in the wizard asks for the essentials, first and last name, display name, and username, which becomes their email address, something like jane.doe@yourcompany.com. You also set a password here. You can auto-generate one and require the user to change it on first login. That's the recommended approach for security. All of these fields are required before you can move forward. Next is licensing, and this is where people get tripped up. Every Microsoft 365 user needs an assigned license before they can access Outlook, Teams, or SharePoint. Pick the right plan from your available pool and check the box. After that, you can optionally set an admin role, add the user to security groups, or fill in profile details like department and job title. When you're done, click Finish to create the account. Navigate to Active Users, fill in the required details, assign a license. Don't skip that step, and your new user is ready to go. Follow for more IT support essentials. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.